Hello, everyone. Guillermo Rodriguez here, Director of Software Value Optimization with TaxExact. Super excited to introduce our latest update, a new activity feature that will greatly improve internal collaboration and communication between all team members working on a TaxExact project. So to utilize this new feature, all you have to do is click on the ellipsis button here on the top right section of the screen and select activity. That will open up the dialog box called activity, which is presenting you with really an assortment of different notifications, history, etc. So it will default to all activity, but you can always isolate this to just look at notifications or look at comments. And this provides you with a dynamic way of communicating now with other team members where you no longer have to reassign a project to send a note. So if all I want to do is make someone aware of an issue, another team member, it's real easy. Just come in here, create new comment, type your comment. You also have new capabilities that will allow you to specifically isolate the area within the input screen that you want to draw the attention to. So in this case, in my example that I'm illustrating, I identified that a team member, Julie, overlooked the tax table that was applicable to this particular client, and I just want to make her aware of this. So by selecting her and choosing the tab option here, when she gets the email notification, she will be able to click a link from that email, which will take her directly to the note, or at any point, she can come into this notification pane or activity pane and simply click on the link there that will take her directly to the area of concern. And with this activity tool, you also have the ability to respond to a comment. So if Julie wants to acknowledge that, yeah, oversight in my part, blah, 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 she can come in here and simply click on reply once she gets the notification and send that comment back to me. And that is the new activity feature in a nutshell. We hope that you enjoy it and find it useful. Until next time, thank you so much.